My name is Dallas Donovan. I'm an account manager with DZ. We're down here in Florida at the Keystone Big Show. We're going through a lot of our new product. One of our big popular products that we just released is the new tonneau cover. With this tonneau cover, we're going to have two applications right now that fits most, if not all, full-size 5.5-foot vehicles. So we're going to cover the Tundra, the F-150, the Dodge, the Chevy Silverado, and the GMC Sierra, all 5.5-foot bed. So two part numbers are going to cover all those applications. With this tonneau cover, it is in aluminum. It's going to be a single fold. We're going to have this clasp here that opens this, and it runs on a shock system. So the shock system opens here. If you would like to, you can take the shock, you could remove it. It's a quick detach shock, and it will fold itself over onto itself. We have a strap point that you'll take the strap and you'll do it the tie down where you keep that folded back onto itself. There's a clamp here on each corner. You could remove that pretty simply if you needed to. Otherwise, you can keep the tonneau cover on here. It locks just underneath the side rails or on the Tundra within the track system. 800-pound capacity. Once again, it's an aluminum textured black, so it's lightweight, plus it's very durable.